it's Abigail of Ground and Grow Yoga, and I wanted to make a video doing a review of Kassandra's Yin Yoga Teacher Training. So I signed up for the Yin Yoga Teacher Training last April, and I just finished it a couple weeks ago, just because of life circumstances for me. But that's one of the first points that I want to make. This is an amazing training because you can fit it into your schedule however you need to. So it's a 20-hour training. You get 20 credit hours, but you can do it at your own pace and you have as much time as you need because you always have access to the material. So with the way it's set up, it's all online, and the online part of it has different modules that you can click through. So you'd watch a video, and then when you're done, click next, go to the next video. There's also a digital manual that goes with that, and that manual guides you right through the process as you go through the videos. Underneath each video, there's a place to comment, and you can ask any questions. I personally didn't comment because a lot of the questions that I had were already answered below. So Kassandra is really great at hopping on and answering questions quickly. And like I said, there's a wealth of knowledge underneath each video now. And so I didn't even have any other questions that hadn't already been asked. With the different modules, right now there are 28 modules covering things from the purpose of Yin Yoga to what specific poses to sequence for different types of yoga instruction. So Kassandra has different ways that you could structure your Yin Yoga class, whether that be by theme, chakra, meridians, peak poses, whatever it is that you want to have as your central focus, and then what postures would be great for that. It's also a very in-depth study of the different meridians, or the 12 main meridians and the chakras, and how those things come together for Yin Yoga. Also just looking at things like Vin to Yin Yoga or Hot Yin Yoga, or any of the different things that are coming up as a result of the initial Yin Yoga. After I had gotten the initial training, she's always adding new content as well, and you get that for free. So while I was taking the training, she actually added 5 more modules, and then now there's a total of 9 full-length classes that you can do to help you see what she's talking about in practice. So there's free Yin videos that you can do and then analyze how they're working in the particular way that that sequence is supposed to be, or what that's saying. And honestly, it was just very comprehensive. I was first introduced to Kassandra through Brett Larkin's 200-hour yoga teacher training, which I'll put a link up here to my review of that. But I knew that I wanted to know more about Yin Yoga, and so I decided to take this class, and it's been an amazing experience. Like I said, I got a little bit off track, so it took me a while to finish it, but the actual training itself, I love that you can go back and re-watch the videos, take as many notes, that material is not going anywhere. So as soon as I have a question and I start teaching more Yin classes, I can re-watch the videos, I can look through the comments, I can ask my own questions, and Kassandra's there to answer them and to be a support. And so I would highly recommend anyone take this yoga continuing credit hours course. So it's not for people who are looking for their initial teacher certification, but it's great for anyone who even just loves Yin Yoga and wants to know more about it. Even if you're not planning on teaching Yin Yoga, there was still a lot of beneficial information. And if you are a teacher, you can use those credits towards non-contact hours for the Yoga Alliance, which is awesome that that's an option there. So at the end, I took a quiz, filled out a form and got my certificate, and so yeah, it was just an amazing experience, and I highly recommend it to anyone who's looking for more information about Yin Yoga. So I hope you check it out. If you'd like to know more about my experience, please let me know in the comments, and I'd be happy to answer any questions you have. I also have a link to the training below so that you can sign up right from here. And if you enjoyed this video and want to see more content like this, please leave a like as well as comment and subscribe. Subscribers allow me to continue to make free content. Have a wonderful day. Namaste.